Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save video from CapCut to gallery. So first you simply need to do is to open CapCut and you need to basically edit a random video. So I'm going to select a video that I already added. So here it is. So simply need to select that. So here you need to click on this option and you need to select your export settings. So I'm going to select with 60 and you can increase the MBs of the video as well. So resolution is 1080p. Once you're done that, you simply need to click on this arrow and here you can see that. Click on done. So here you can see that save and share to TikTok. Click on that. So now it is exporting my video and you need to wait for a few seconds, and after that you have that video in your gallery. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.